Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing a brand new mascara, at least it's for me, and this is the Maybelline Snap Mascara. This is what it looks like. Now I've seen quite a few people use this mascara online and see reviews, but I promise you I haven't seen a single review. So I am going to put this onto my eyes and do like an end of day wear test and show you what it looks like and how I think. So I will zoom you in and we will apply some mascara together. Okay, so this is what the wand looks like. Now it's a concave wand, so it does make that kind of angle. They don't have any claims on the tube. The only thing they say is easy on, easy off mascara. So I'm not sure if it's going to be like a long lasting one. It does smell very plasticky, but we won't judge until we put some on. So let's go ahead with our first layer. Okay, so this is about one layer. I don't know how I feel about that. It's not very good, but I wouldn't say it's bad either, to be honest. It's okay for now. It has certainly given me some length over here, but I don't see a lot of volume. So let me do the other eye as well, and then we'll see how much it can build up, at least for like 2 or 3. I usually put 2 coats anyway, so that's 1 coat. Okay, so this is 1 coat. Again, not a lot of volume, just loads of length. But is that the kind of claim they have? You know what, I'm not really sure. So we will do 1 more coat and see how it performs. Okay, so that's 2 coats, that's 1 coat. Not a lot of difference. It has fanned out my eyelashes, I'll say that much. But to be honest, I don't see a very big difference. Like it's not massive. Okay, that's now 2 coats. I really don't know how I feel about this. I don't hate it. I don't love it. Maybe it'll grow on me. I mean, I like the length. I like that it's opened up my eyes quite a lot because it's opened up my eyelashes. But you know what? We will see at the end of the day what this looks like, and we shall decide then. But for now, yeah, I think I don't dislike it. I like it. It's nice. It's not volumizing. It's definitely lengthening. So we'll see, and it's holding up the curl so far. It's making my eyes look really wide open. So we'll see how that performs by the end of the day. And that's when I will see you next.
Okay, I'm just pausing right there, and I just wanted to let you know that the day I actually filmed this, I forgot to film the after, and I completely took off my makeup. So the pictures that I'm inserting now are of the next day when I wore this mascara again, and I wore it for a straight 10 hours because I wore it to work. So yeah, here they are, and here is my feedback.
So ciao till then.
Okay, so as you can see, it did give me a lot of length and definition, and it stayed put for the whole of the 10 hours. You can also see that it did hold up the curl quite well. I wouldn't say it gives any kind of fullness, but it does definitely give length, and it separates the lashes really well, and I will happily wear this again. Please give this video a big thumbs up, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.